Good morning, this is Ebisa Restaurant. This is Jerick speaking. How may I help you?
Hello. I have a complaint about my room reservation.
I'm very sorry to hear that, sir. So let me check if your reservation details are away. And may I have your name and room number, sir?
My name is Rashmel Agbones and my room number is room number 20.
Alright, sir. Just wait for a moment, sir. I will check about the issue. Thank you for waiting, sir. I see the issue now. And I highly apologize for the inconvenience. But we can offer a different solution, sir, about a different room. Will that be okay for you?
Yes, that will be fine.
Thank you for your understanding, sir. We will make sure everything is ready for your arrival. And is there anything else that I can help you with, sir?
No, thank you. That would be all.
Alright, sir. Thank you for your patience, sir. We look forward to making your stay a lot more comfortable. Thank you, sir. Good morning, ma'am. This way. One grilled scallop.
One pork steak.
Anything else, sir?
That's all. That's all.
Okay. This is your order.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Hindi fresh mo? Tama to.
Waiter! How may I help you, ma'am, sir?
Anong bugnaw yung serve na po?
Sir, ma'am, sir, I understand. Do you prepare a replacement?
Yes, please.
It's okay.
Excuse me. Your new soup.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Okay na? Okay na? Okay na po?
Init na po ba?